Hi, in this video I will show you how to install TiviMate on Android phone. So let's try to head over to our Play Store and let's see if TiviMate is right here. You can click onto the search bar and click onto this search, then search in here for TiviMate. And as you can see, we only have in here this IPTV, we have TiviMate. Head over right here to our browser and then in here just click onto the search bar. Search in here for TiviMate APK. So let's search in here for that. And then from in here, we have in here the TiviMate IPTV player. So when you click onto this install option, as you can see, it says that it's not compatible. So what we can do is you can just install it directly from the actual website of them. Click onto this right here. And then from in there, just scroll down and click onto this download APK. So do take note that you only need to actually download it onto their official website. So as you can see, we have already downloaded it, click onto this open, and then click onto this TiviMate option and click onto this install. Now, as you can see, it will install TiviMate on our actual phone. You can click onto this open in order to open it up. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.